In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add button in Divi builders. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need along with a bit of context so you know what you're looking at as you go. Divi's visual builder lets you assemble pages using sections, rows, and elements. A button is one of those elements, and we're going to place it precisely where you want it on your page. Start by opening the Divi builder on your home page. If you're using the visual builder, you'll see your page live on the left and a settings panel on the right. That panel is where we'll add and configure the button. Move your mouse over the part of the page where you want the button to appear. As you hover, Divi highlights areas so you can clearly see the section you're targeting. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct section. Choosing the right section now will make placing the button effortless. Once you've identified the correct section, click to select it. This tells Divi exactly where you intend to work and ensures the options on the right-hand side relate to that spot. Look to the right-hand panel and click on Elements. This is where you manage the content inside your chosen section. If the panel is collapsed, expand it so you can see everything clearly. Next, click Add Element. This opens the library of items you can insert into the page. You'll find common items here like text, images, and of course the button we need. Locate the button element. You can scroll to find it or use the search field at the top of the library to type button and filter the list quickly. Searching is especially helpful on complex pages or when you're working fast. When you see button, click it. Divi will instantly add a default button to your selected section so you can see its position and begin customizing. With the button now in place, look back to the right-hand panel to edit its details. In the content settings, you'll see a field for button text. Click into that field and type the exact label you want, such as Learn More, Get Started, or any short action-focused phrase that fits your page. Clear, concise text works best so visitors know exactly what happens next.